on Tibbs Bridge, passing Green Bay with a green Ford F-150, no 28. We're going to be pulling into an address. Stand by. On, stand by. He just passed another car in a curve. Almost hit another car head on.
Get a chance to see it. Go ahead.
10-4. I'm going through this curvy section here on Tibbs Bridge. I don't believe right now is going to be a good opportunity. Well, I see back in. Clear on that, back in on this truck. He's breaking loose on out.
Traffic here, 90-point driveway.
Passing Robinson Road, Robinson. Curve, you try to pit him.
10-4. Whitfield, Murray, and round.
But I'm all over him. He ain't gonna get away unless he dips off on me. We're passing Deep Wood. And left on Greasonville.
That'll come out on 52.
Murray County's in it with me. They just got to get turned around. Advise them once they catch up if they want to take over since they know this area better than me.
Any GSP unit in Murray County on analog.
Extension. Or what road this is. Two cars in a no passing zone here on alternate 52, headed back towards 52. Stand by one. Right now. Alright.
I believe we got Murray in it, GSP.
No, Murray never called back up with me.
388, go ahead then.
He tried to turn, I tried to pit him, I'm unsuccessful. Clear, I tried to pit him, but he came out of it, and that's when he turned around and went back north and back left on Luffin. Before standby. Down to 225 and come across, see if they can intercept us somewhere in there. Yeah, I'll advise you something shortly. Parking lot here at the gas station. Looks like we're going to go right on 225. 28 White Mill driver.
That's on four-way stop.
You know, if we get to a good spot, we're going left on Smyrna Church, I believe it is. Finally, tell them to come on. There's somebody turning right back there into one of them neighborhoods. He had to slam on his brakes.
In that, go ahead and get it done.
I'm on this road right now. There's too much traffic, too many cars.
Pencil.
With the U-turn there on 52. Say that again, Whitfield, I'm sorry. I think this is Smyrna Church, I'm not sure. We're coming up on, hold on, Whitfield. What's the name of this road, but we're turning left on it. Amherst, I believe.
20th Whitfield unit still behind them. Boys, you got several GSP going your way. We're on 52 alternate, almost at 411.
I'll get on 411 and kick it southbound, and if he turns back north, I'll let you know. On Leonard Bridge again off Smyrna Church. I think I got Murray County out with me. They've got him at gunpoint. Hold on.
Can you direct me to that location from 52 alternate 411? 10-4 Blackpool and Leonard Bridge Road.
5, 6, 8, 9. this time. Blackwell Road and Leonard Bridge, Blackwell Road and Leonard Bridge. It's going to be in reference to a subject that's been involved in a 1080. SO's on scene requesting. Male subject's bleeding from the head, unable to get it to stop.
All units be advised, they're now on Tom. All units, correction there. Approaching 52 at this time, approaching 52.
Tell him, see which way they went.
10-4, sir, 10-12. And 967, they took a right on 52, right on 52.
Okay. I was following a Murray County deputy, and we went left, so I must turn around.
10-4, 967, just an attempt at a pit, unsuccessful, turning around at this time.
10-4. 357 Dalton, Lossman, is that what Whitfield advised? Lossman Lane or Drive? 357 is Luffman, Luffman. Alright, yeah, just advise he's on that road. I don't know where that's at. 10-4. I'm on 52, coming up on 286.
All units, took a left on Old Free Hope, left on Old Free Hope. All units, be advised, passing Oliver Deal at this time, Oliver Deal on Old Free Hope. All units, took a left on 52, left on 52. And counting 967.
Go ahead.
967, county is requesting that you go to 225 to intersect.
I think I'm behind them. I'm still trying to get caught up.
10-4, 967. All units, be advised, vehicles cutting through parking lots, taking a right on 225, right on 225. It's going to be a green F-150, white male driver.
67, they're passing the golf course. They said something about Leonard Bridge.
All units, county's advising Old Spring Place at this time, Old Spring Place, Smyrna, coming up on Fitton. All units, to the left on Smyrna Church, headed back towards 411. All units, county's advising possibly turn, correction, to the left on Leonard Bridge, All units, be advised, Murray out with vehicle, subject to gunpoint at this time.
Tell him I'll be out with them. We're at Blackwell Road.
10-4, 967. Count him, Dalton. All units, 10-3, 1033 until 967 status is known.
1395. 967. Count.
967.
We're all 10-4. I think he's 1095.
10-4, 967.